Okay. Let's
What
go.
position would you prefer or would you like the most in bed?
I'm the one who's riding it.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off, I think.
Eat or swallow?
Swallow.
Uy, ate,
I need that vitamins.
do you believe
A
that
to Z.
do you believe that if you swallow it, it would give vitamins to your skin? Do you think?
I don't think so.
Because they said that if you swallow it, your skin will be lighter. Maybe my skin is
You need what?
hello.
Will become shiny, ano? That's
No,
why
like,
it's
because
shiny.
bright. No, it's not shiny. brighter and bright.
Brighter.
Ano, sarap eh.
So I need that. I need to brighten